Hello, this is Trivia, and welcome to our channel. Today, I will show you how to easily make a jingle header for your Twitter account. So, Amis, please stay tuned to find out. First, I'm going to set up my canvas to this height and width, and then I'm going to input my collection of jingle letters into my canvas for the header. Then, I will try to position the picture so it looks a little more tidy. I'm also going to use the vampire. You know, this is the byJungkook's portfolio.
So different, cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do.
Now, to make it more professional, I'm going to add some distort typography. This is one of the Canva elements you can use to make your layout more visually appealing. You don't need to edit it anymore, and you will appear more professional if you use this typography. What I'm going to do is adjust the transparency to blend with the pictures. I will make some minor changes to the main Jungkook image here. This is kinda a trick in Canva to make your image with a stroke. First, remove the background, then edit the setting, like blur using the 0% one to make it straight. Then setting the size for your stroke. I'm not sure if you're still using the free Canva one, can make a stroke like this. I also add some Jungkook writing as well, same with the portfolio and the curve around it.
I know you're out with your friends, and that's fine. But you could be here tonight. Yeah. I spend my nights in my room with the lights so low. Can't drive cause we're feeling the high and all your time. Baby, it's all on your time.
Okay, but I think this photo does not look so nice. So I decided to add another picture of Jungkook here and remove the background. And I will use the gradient color to support the theme and make it even darker and spooky.
Driving far, you're probably going somewhere that you never been. It's the air, but you don't want someone to hold it right into the morning. And I'm just trying to make sense of you now. Baby, you're really making the city feel loud, but you don't wanna talk about it. Yeah, you go.
Not to mention adjusting the transparency. I will also include this line aesthetic to add more emphasis. I will also include this line aesthetic to add more emphasis, as well as change all of the colors to white and adjust the transparency. It's all done for the header now, and I will show you how to make it as a picture to make it, or if you just want to make it a profile picture. First, set your canvas size into this, and here I will add this same picture of Jungkook But the other one, I will flip it up to make a difference than the other.
You wanna be with me. Wish I could find the words to explain just how I feel. Convince myself it's
And
real.
I will add the main picture from the video earlier in here, and also the JungKook writing, and add more curves so it gives a big circling the picture, and it's done! It's pretty and easily to make.
You make me feel beautiful in a way I haven't felt before. No something so much more. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. With you. With you. With you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for our next content.